Hey, this is JD and FIA. I'm in a key of B flat today. We're going to be looking at the 1, 5, 6, 4 chord progression. All right, so the B flat major scale. B flat is our 1, C is our 2, D is our 3, E flat is our 4, F is our 5, G is our 6, A is our 7, back to B flat, our 1. All right, so a 1, 5, 6, 4 chord progression. Our B flat major is going to be our 1 chord. Our 5 chord is going to be our F major. Our 6 chord is going to be G minor. Our 4 chord is going to be E flat major. All right, so with the 1 chord. 1 chord, left hand, B flat, F, right hand, B flat, C, D, F. I'm hitting the B flat and F at the same time, and it hitting the C to the D. All right, 5, F major, left hand, F, C, and F, right hand, A, C, and F. And then I'm bringing that down to this F major, F, G, A, and C. So I'm playing F, C, and F, and then I'm coming playing the root position. All right. In context, it sounds like this. Finish it off like that. All right. 6 chord, G minor, walk into it. All right. G, A, B flat. You're gonna play a G minor 7 chord. Left hand, G and D. Right hand, F, B flat, D. All right. That's your 6 chord. All right. 4 chord, E flat major. Left hand, E flat, B flat. Right hand, E flat, F, G, B flat. So we got 1, 5, 6, 4. All right, F major or E flat major. All right, the first passing chord that we can add before we go to the 4 chord, we could play the 3. All right, we're gonna play a 1 chord in our left and our right hand over D. So I got D in my left hand. Right hand I got D, F, and B flat. You can play it either way, all right, either place. And you can also add that A if you want to. So ultimately you're playing a B flat major 7 chord. All right, so I'll play that right there. Then I go to the 4 chord. All right, so once again, just make sure we got those notes right. D and A on the left hand, right hand, D, F, and B flat. Just a B flat chord, inverted. And that takes us to our 4 chord. So, All right, another thing we can do is we can add a 6, 7, 1, 3, 4 chord progression. All right, 6, 7, 1. So we got our 6. I'm really just playing the G, A to the B flat and playing the G and D in my left hand. That's all I'm really playing for that, but you can play the full chord if you want to. All right, 7. We're going to a F major 7. All right, A and E on my left hand. All right, it's an inverted. Right hand, A, C, and F. All right, so if I take that A, C, and F and put it down here, got the F, C. All right, you see F major 7. All right. All right, so that's our 7. So we got 6, 7, 1. We have our 1 chord already. B flat and F on the left hand. Right hand, B flat, C, D, F. All right, 3. We got our 3. That same 3. All right, this time I opened it up instead of playing it down here. So I got D, A, and D on my left hand. Right hand I got D, F, B flat. All right. 4 chord, same one, E flat major, E flat, B flat, E flat. I'm opening it up this time instead of down here. So just whatever. B flat is a good key because, you know, to me the highs are just high enough and the lows are just low enough. So you really got options with B flat. So you got 4. All right. So the whole thing. 6, 7, 1, 3, 4. All right. I can also walk that thing down from the 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk down. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4. All right. I'm playing left hand. All right. So E flat, B flat on the left hand. I'm just gonna give you the main notes so you can fill it in. You can see what I'm doing to fill it in. All right. So we got E flat and G, D and F, C and E flat, B flat and D. All right. All right. Another thing, if you changing the progression or changing the rhythm rather, on that 6 right here, or we normally play the G minor, you can play this chord. All right, so what I'm doing, on the 6, I'm hitting the G, A, and B flat. So 1, 5, all right, right here. 6, all right, when I hit the 6, I'm gonna play G. First of all, I'm gonna go G, A, B flat to walk into it. When I hit the B flat, I'm gonna hit the G in my left hand. All right, and then I'm gonna hit the D and then E flat. Like that. All right, now what I'm gonna do when I hit that E flat, I'm gonna hit the F at the same time. So the 5 and the 1 are the key. So I'm playing an E flat sus2 chord. All right. So, all right, and I'm gonna build up on the E flat, F, and B flat. All right. All right, and then I can take that to my 3, and then my 4. All right, so those are several options for the 1, 5, 6, 4 that you can do in the key of B flat. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.